Today, we're diving into the ever-evolving world of wearable tech to help you navigate the Fitbit lineup. You might be wondering, with Fitbit's latest offerings, which one is your perfect fit? Well, today we're pitting the Charge 6, Inspire 3, and Luxe against each other to shed light on their unique features, designs, and capabilities. Let's get started. Starting with the exterior, each of these Fitbit devices possesses its own distinct personality. The Charge 6, the freshest edition, reintroduces a haptic physical button, which was noticeably absent in its predecessor, the Charge 5. It boasts an eco-friendly case crafted entirely from recycled aluminum, meeting the growing demand for sustainable products. On the other hand, the Inspire 3 takes a cost-effective approach with a plastic housing, catering to the pragmatic fitness enthusiast. It skips the physical button and instead relies on a user-friendly touchscreen interface for navigation. And now, the Luxe, the true fashionista of the trio, graces your wrist with its stainless steel casing, radiating sophistication. When you aim to make a style statement while tracking your fitness, the Luxe is your go-to. It shares the touchscreen navigation feature with the Inspire 3 but elevates the experience with luxurious materials. Though all three gadgets aim for a lightweight, unobtrusive presence, there are slight differences. The Charge 6 tips the scales at 37.64 grams, making it a tad heavier than the sub-30-gram Inspire 3 and Luxe. All of them, however, share a sleek and unobtrusive design that sits comfortably on your wrist. When it comes to screen size, the Inspire 3 and Luxe both sport 0.76-inch displays, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. The Charge 6 boasts a slightly larger 1.04-inch display, enhancing visibility for quick access to metrics and notifications. Regardless of the model, they all feature AMOLED technology, ensuring crisp visuals whether you're checking your step count or reading a text. For those of you with an adventurous spirit or a tendency to forget your tracker during showers, here's some great news. All three devices are water-resistant to 5 atm. This means they can withstand pressure equivalent to 50 meters of depth, making them suitable for swimming and showering. So, whether you lean towards minimalism, crave fashion-forward elegance, or fall somewhere in between, there's a Fitbit in this lineup that suits your style. The Charge 6 elevates personalization with vibrant color options like obsidian, porcelain, and coral, while the Inspire 3 and Luxe offer more conventional choices such as black, silver, and gold. Now, let's take a peek under the hood and explore the unique capabilities of these Fitbit devices. All three, the Charge 6, Inspire 3, and Luxe, come equipped with a 3-axis accelerometer, optical heart rate monitor, pulse ox, and skin temperature sensor. However, the Charge 6 goes the extra mile with its versatile electrical sensors, compatible with both the ECG app and EDA scan. This translates into a comprehensive health monitoring experience, allowing you to track heart rhythms and stress levels. What's more, the Charge 6 utilizes Google's advanced algorithms for heart rate monitoring, promising up to 60% more accurate data during intense workouts. For all you adventurers out there, GPS is a crucial feature. The Charge 6 boasts built-in GPS for precise outdoor activity tracking. In contrast, the Inspire 3 and Luxe rely on connected GPS, which means they piggyback on your smartphone's GPS for location data. While this may suffice for casual users, those seeking seamless location tracking might favor the Charge 6. In today's world, the less you have to touch, the better. Charge 6 offers NFC for contactless payments, making transactions a breeze. Unfortunately, the Inspire 3 and Luxe lack this feature, which could be a consideration for those who prioritize convenience. Now, let's talk about battery life. Each device in this Fitbit trio comes with its own battery endurance level. The Charge 6 leads the pack with up to 7 days of battery life, ensuring it's your reliable companion for week-long adventures. The Inspire 3 takes it a step further, boasting an impressive 10-day battery life, ideal for those who'd rather not be bothered with frequent charging. On the flip side, the Luxe offers a more modest 5-day battery life, which, while not groundbreaking, should suffice for most users. Of course, keep in mind that specific settings and features you activate may impact battery life. Enabling the AOD or the built-in GPS on the Charge 6 can significantly reduce its longevity. Moving on to fitness and health tracking, all three devices offer a robust suite of capabilities, including step tracking, distance measurement, calorie monitoring, and sleep quality assessment. However, none of them feature an altimeter for tracking floors climbed. Heart rate monitoring is standard across the board, but the Charge 6 and Inspire 3 stand out by offering low and high heart rate notifications, providing a more nuanced view of your cardiovascular health. The Charge 6 further distinguishes itself with ECG and EDA scan capabilities, offering a comprehensive health monitoring experience. Additionally, the Charge 6 can seamlessly broadcast heart rate data to third-party fitness equipment via Bluetooth, making it an excellent choice for gym goers. When it comes to smart features, all three devices offer basic smartphone notifications, timers, alarms, do not disturb, and sleep modes. However, the Charge 6 takes it a step further, offering YouTube Music controls, Google Maps integration, and Google Wallet support, earning it the title of the Swiss Army knife of the trio. In terms of customization, the Charge 6 offers a wide range of watch faces and the ability to install third-party apps, allowing you to tailor your experience. On the other hand, the Inspire 3 and Luxe are more limited, offering a selection of pre-installed watch faces without the option to add third-party apps. Now, let's wrap it all up. Fitbit, a name synonymous with wearable tech, presents three exceptional fitness bands: the Charge 6, Inspire 3, and Luxe, each with its own unique strengths. For those who crave a comprehensive set of features and are willing to invest, the Charge 6, priced at $160, reigns supreme. It boasts a larger display, built-in GPS, advanced health monitoring with ECG and EDA scans, and a suite of smart features, including YouTube Music controls, Google Maps, and Google Wallet support. The Charge 6 is your ultimate fitness companion, leaving no stone unturned. The Inspire 3, priced at $100, offers a budget-friendly option with a plastic design. While it lacks some of the advanced features of its pricier counterparts, it still boasts a remarkable 10-day battery life and excels at basic health and fitness tracking. If style is your top priority, the Luxe offers a chic alternative without sacrificing too much functionality. For those on a tight budget, the Inspire 3 is a solid choice that covers the essentials. It all boils down to your priorities and budget. So, which Fitbit will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in tech. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.